na Asante fo ne bu afuo after a Nick Danso Abeam wo sikani kese tie nie pa one kofukuo bi si aye for Asanteman Dormaahene Techimanhene asundue no enye because of say obi chini eye for asempako debi enye sa de tie ewiase obi enu a wo chini say min pepis na mum no kura bi wo hono mu ase ya mfa nto hono mu a in the name of say Danso Abeam so peace na so peace bi enu e beba sa no kura no e hye hono mu no wo de ma me site bi ncho if what they did no eso ba mfa so a na ibusa pa na nka wo TikTok wa na nka hu se domafo no da so udi atem. I'm telling you something. Listen to me very carefully. Na nka wo pie mu nso e wa Asantefo ni bi platform so a nka hu se wo mu nso udi atem. Nti die na si ye ebi no de wo mo se he ne yanka saa asem yi because of say wo mo ni sikani ana enam wa na say wo mo nya sikani ho atafre nti tafra wo mo tafre nti no hwe ne yanka no kore ma me ka no kore cho. One thing a rich man or a wealthy man finds it difficult to get in life is a person who is loyal. Say, mo person money Danso Abeam nam cha. Na odomwa, mo sankofo no amukodi na chi for meeting no. Na o trust him ye pa. You guys should be loyal. When you say somebody is loyal to you, right? Regardless of whatever that you are doing, and now no di aje wo no. Obeka no crash show. So obubefu so obunfu. Obeka no crash show. And let me tell you something. If somebody among the team wam so mkoye meeting no timi ka bibi eye no kore nkoma aye bedi ache Danso Abeam ompa wonsi fom da say 20,000 cedis pe ana wo gye ekoye sa meeting no a obefra wache se nipa dodo nyina chi wo watimi aka no kora chem se eja asem we ya wo kan ya amfa so bi amba asa de heat yaba tinka be ni ya na nka wo kan ni se ya Nanka beboa, and I say even far before you posted the video, because those people who recorded the video are people who claim so much mention video si debia into muni mama mani amane. One de oheneba atu womuso. I am for money then na woni mama mre se woni sikani nam na se bia wa ye se ni se wa mama ni amane mu na entwa ye wuntimi nkanche no ema ni hu se wo ye ne kwafo. If Danso Abeam truly peace wa obetimi aka sa no kora no wat mi se ne ebedi nkomo. Ne bumfu da because peace na wo pen wa boa no aka no kora kire no ye bedi nkomo. Danso Abeam tenase in a meeting which is supposed to bring peace between Dormaahene Techimanhene and Asante. Did you see a representative of Dormaahene there? How can there be peace without justification? Obi no obi ansam obe so solve problem na obi anka de ye ne bunti ye de ntokwa ne ba obi ampa obi achow bi de bia meka no kora kira wo enu nti ana mo claim se mo nim nyansa chen obi a magimi no tie ne anka no kora enso ko TikTok antokwa ne da so koso. This is not entokwa tie nyansa enye entokwa e wo form se ni pekuta sika ne etu di wo hu dwuma wo Ghana ho we entokwa enam internet ne so na enso no sen dia wo form because eguye nananum bie nmu ase enti se wo pese wo obi akoma eka eto yem na dia asomdue ba hwan mo a eye wo mo internet ne so o mo de pese o mo te saa hintasem no a e dia asomdue ba ye meeting na nkoyie mo agi atom amanfo ba hye wo sa ade a mo ye no ma anyi ni ya nyansasem a mo kan ye e kira amanfo ne se muntwa so na de di peace ne ba ye no ne a chopa no de enu ye kukuwa mu asem nti yanfa no amma abonten tie ugimi o the unnecessary thing no ne de bremo se mubumfu wo se ne yanka no kora nkyerɛ wo maybe ka sembi. Now before that let me clear this as a point of correction. Menka so obi ehiani na mobobu ho ahianti no on say we as na classes so obi chen wa wo ye hia hye na se no no wa animu because of that nti Ghana for be benin to me kind of cringe nipa. And I repeat. Say obi eji oye Danso Abeam ato nchen. Die. No afan say one Danso Abeam ye nipa two oye traditional person. Danso Abeam mfa tradition ni agro. Ti de bia wo tare na nanom ho. Say wo fan sa so mfa tradition ni agro. E ma no mfun wo tradition ho because nipa no mfa the tradition ni agro. Asante wa mamre. Otumfo na otena si di nkomo a yenkotena baby nkoka se otumfo se eye haram. Se de anuanum kremfo wo haram. Utie bepa. Okopie mo sirem a ya na anim wo no ma yenye. Oko voter region Togo siri Togo fede owo no ma yenye. Utie. Okopie mo central region a eye na na sabere ma pa kwesi otoso mienu. Ye wo no ma bi wo wa ye ntena nim so nye. Eye amamre ni amane. Danso Abeam and Asante is supposed to know this very well. Say, adia a child was Asante amamre ni amane mu ba akopa ni say, unu otumfo betena se edi nkomo na akwotena bia akoka se otumfo se. Mu amu di esem we eti a mu de mu jimi mu se ne anka wansam. Unsam will destroy the relationship between Danso Abeam and otumfo ho. Mu de amu jimi 20,000 no keke no a ebinu mu nya to wo mu botomu no. Enti mu se ne anka no krancham. Say same way say otumfo di agro we internet ni so ana we internet ni so ana we nya access to internet say papa ni na internet ni so a debia ana obi ko eguna so say Danso Abeam so ni na di nkomo si ama waka kura tontintan kese ye ni so a do you think otumfo will trust him again onyine Danso Abeam ho o dwene nko ho jimi kakra na wanya di no enti so obi ka no kura kire kura na abuofu because tradition is say me something me no kasa yen kan abonten se something na otumfo se na mum ye kan se me nsia se because obetimi a pass na otumfo ntia Asante fo ne se ye omamamre se de ye nananom aka atwa Ghana ho se nyina wo omamamre Danso Abeam a boom ran so somebody who is traditional person we are just the first point niaka entwa ye ntia Asante fo ne bibu afo me de beto ato so nya bote ebedi nkomo didi kan no otumfo no tena se di nkomo a yenka ne se otumfo se menhia se wo oheneba o se ye ne yanka sansem wi je to so mienu I mentioned something earlier when sikani nam na o ye loyal to the person being loyal to somebody do not mean say they be akanokra kire no enye no nko a part of it but being loyal to somebody ejina homa kasa emu oduro eka wodon ho asem eka nokora ho asem eka gidie ho asem tie enti no se nipa no otwasa na na chi tia regardless of nipa ni sik nipa ne bobre wa brabom utimi ka kire no se eja me pe wasem oboa me wo ye odefo nduru ba bia wa brabom ba nokora de a wo ye de enye wo ya mamre ni wo fra hemfie ka se a wo kan yen kan sa let me tell you something inti video ne beya me imposo video na I record no na hasa kan view ni ento aso Jimmy kakra wanya nti wo claim say oye oheneba nenso he ne anka no kra nkyira wo ena asundie be na aba obi beka se kendi Asante ma me ka some show one thing that makes me different and say how many times and who me say me te me ka do ma one say platform we so sometimes a whole month sometimes the whole 2-3 months na Dormaahene video ba kokora any platform we so you only respond to them because of say amamra ni amane yentia no distorting history is very dangerous that is why me no kura kenti no me ko defend ye nuanum siremfo abra wodimaya wanted to disrespect them I could have said say no kura because it makes Asante look superior so me so Asanteism sa too much ya. This would have been a great history to be added to the confines of the Asante people. By saying Asante for the system for big gather woman at home. But no, it's lies. So I told Maya, regardless of the friendship. Ebi ebe koso. Ewo me di with Maya. Tell me can adi a ye yenkwasi asem. You have all the resources to go and find out the truth. Who is the car with Maya? Just one phone call, but kind of crack you about bakwasam. Distorting a whole generation history. Asante for the cotton string. Salaga Market, when it was built, where was the Asante Empire? Na Asante mine no na kikabomu no enyen CP wie sa because of say na wo mukra enyen di denchira so what are you talking about? Wodimaya. Me be kan okra no wa not because of anything because me person me tell say when it comes to distorting history regardless of the group of people, the tribe, I will sit here and I will defend it. Let me ask oh with my crowd so person come and share and me person be a connection be my copy moment share and because of that you know me can with my asem can the crowd you when it Danso Abeam nenam de kan we bu amamre so wan dwene mpo se ade a waye ya we bu amamre kase esu nti otumfo be trust Danso Abeam bi mo adwene ho. Because if somebody whispers this into the ears of Otumfo, say, Danso Abeam, when you need to come out, baby, cast Otumfo in Tisha. And you think the next time Danso Abeam, me cast much out, would you be in the Kakram bed into 1 person will become a you of Yawa Brabo me? You won't get that from me. And maybe one day Danso Abeam will go back to Malaysia. And it's going to be like, oh, Nana, where to cry. Oh, Nana, where to cry. Dana, now, Honso, and command your tea, Danso, when he say, because the two phone is so bad, can't say what about see baby. I can't say two for say. My Jimmy, won't care about the relationship between Danso Abeam and Otumfo. It must say people should not criticize the nonsense that you did. The part I mean blame Danso Abeam very much is because of someone amoye roll it camera, cut, start, continue. You could have pause, and I stop. Mr. Danso, Mr. Hanum, no himself with you from Mamre High and Canessa. Mukremu diwi. Me say, Sado man talk way near Asante talk way. A two betra, a beba, a betwas. Nina, your oheneba media. Woman, was some. What the Asantes don't want to see, these people will bring it to their eyes for them to see. The videos of Dormaahene that they don't want to see, they will bring it to them. More ye did mo hine natam. So they are more time camera come and share the beer. The thumbnails are ube yusu krano. Na Asante for na say jamo. Their captions. Some of the Asantes even find it to be insulting. Enti ye kan wo mu pran ko mu son to kwa ejegu mu a eye mo a. Me kan no kra che wo buafu. Wajimi wontie no kra. I personally contacted boy no de bia o kasa e mo oheneba ni platform no oheneba na emu ni Ghana ho boy no bebre ni mu no e friend oheneba no enye ono no oheneba no. I personally contacted him catch and say de mu si ye mu videos ni ade no enye eno na eso so sa no mo be mu ntwa so catch me say my team me catch me team mo mfie me asema me ke wujimi am abebo audio na have the audio there the guy what take voice na bo say you no but I don't do that nonsense here. Wujimi e be ko feda. The boy told me, say, Nyamio, Mitimi catch almost a video ya ye dikwe, edin to cover by Asante for the barber so. Was it team they say, take a cram mobile content, I mobile dintino. Musi Nyamo Namun so gentle, I'm a Janwa beduru say, a dance one can da papa, mobile so one mass jaba. Sikaka cram mobile taffintino, Jimmy Moon to me, I'm kind of clear. Dear Tosu be only say. Reason why people are still criticizing that meeting that you guys did. Often some Muslim peace, but up to now, co internet and so the man for that should be Asante for them. Asante for that should be Doma for them. Into soon be a pen. I must say abano. Me share that video me from by because I just wanted to monitor the system to see. Say adi amuye ye beka mo beka se king. Oh fire too much. It's not me per evidence. I'm a man for say adi amuye ya ye bo mati amude mu Jimmy Muslim be counter. And so a man for so be they are still fighting on the internet because Chimatobi were baby. Asante for ni some commentary in that meeting was not good. Why an AD Otumfo tem? Emane Asante for ni ya power on this internet. Can you catch me? A boy be our friend Ohene Ebenezer or Ohene David or Ohene Bibia. Our friends or Ohene Mike say Bibia. Sa kwa kwasiano onu ne di atem man tokwe etu ntwada because onu de obedi de bia ni se obedi di Otumfo atem no other content. There will never be 48 hours only video what did Otumfo atem. So if you want to settle this peace, that guy was supposed to be part of the meeting, and in his absence virtual meeting was held. That's why Abeam got all that money for a virtual meeting. Even because bloggers know almost so say we man talk way too channel. Don't know about change. How can you have a meeting of peace without them? Virtual meeting. Omega second, omo ye ni nyina sikido he. Kwasi ya David no da so di atem so mfa so be na ba so. Na me ka sem chiro. Se wo se twini anim da ho na be bon chen ya. Me se eni e be di komotie. That's why Abeam can afford virtual meeting. You fanton chain. Another thing, you cannot call for peace without justification, as I said. And this will be Ese onu obi enya asem Asante Dormaahene Techimanhene ntokwa na se musi mokwa akosovia. How can you have that meeting without a representative from Dormaahene? Obi enwa na wo gina mu free Dormaahene enim ni se wo ka fun free Dormaahene bi ana Dormaahene at meeting no ase. Hey, what a piece. And we are talking about it and you are saying it's wrong for us to criticize it because sikani team what bodam. Akufuado kura no nipa ka che ni se wo mu ade. Just because of catching an abyss and an sorry entiano. On some penocre, it make us a wofu. Say one penocran as a wabadam we asim, if you ask no credit, no better than we asim much, tea no cran one make a child. And no abua mahama, and then mahama when it comes to say, being respecting an animal, when you're 99.9 when you're to walk. Now, see how there was a video circulating, didn't you? Because the criticization amount for the Marco Fado or no crown where president and wasn't Danso Abeam and Ghana. And no na ashe mahama den say emi ya Ghana fo kumi ho sese na nanom te wokura no a onye pro na na tena se ne chia mahama no utie no kura no enti who is Danso Abeam mu jimi no ye ka no kura chia wo sisi a wo si da bi se obi ka che obi se Danso Abeam mu ade a one hweni pa ne age ne he Danso Abeam age if say omo ye age group and age meet ya all right. So kind of Christian. Mudema Jimmy before no do no. So obi was campo na se hiani no anyini chance kani no yenkesi kani no asem no na modern ampo. It broni say the poor will continue to be poor and the rich will continue to be rich because hiani is rich kani. Nti ene mofra bebre a repo mu ho. Oma ame no mu ni bie na sikani no bi enti. Onka no kura na nka ban ne beso ni kwa. E de me pese me papa e benya asemu because me ho chiri me ono na bebo ame. Brony do not work that way. The destiny of your child, the future of your child is more important than that respect you give into that sebi asiano because of saying this kabinti. What's that about life? People need lifestyle, no. They can't clutch you in a more professional way. When David was not in the meeting, he was not addressed. Obi kwa bibi chemi ase K1ng Ghana. Ye meeting bi wachiri ansa na ye di we ba bonten tie entokwa we nya fom ntokwa amanfo nkuta sekan ne etu na ekon no aka say the national security is supposed to get involved we ye internet so ntokwa enti sampase mu ye secret bi wabo mu ye meeting bi wabonten ana mu ye meeting bi out of the scene anke wo se dia asomye ni ba bedman famba enno na internet wo ni hia because omo na ekon we nya fom ntokwa. So whatever you thought say no and the mam ko ye say meeting no I know na ye better no. And when I was in the internet, not the West. I mean, call the next point. Ghana for only been pen or crash. If we are saying footing, ye be the beauty. What kind of crash would be our own pet? Would ye? The better have me hyper gamanche. And that people from the Gat traditional area be friendly phone so. Up to now, be friendly phone so because I have the gamanche deep from my heart because I just want to see our tradition flourish. I defend our brothers from the north all the time. Because I want the system to be accurate. Or more destroy more integrity. You know, somehow I have to correct them so that I might be bombs. When it comes to distorting their history, as I did on Wodimaya, I won't allow you to distort anybody's history. Peace now, Mutna Samu and Akusi. Say, Danso Abeam Teho. Na asemu ameka ni ne wo tie mi obeka sa ke na asemu aka no kre amamre hunya ti na me kura me di amamre chi no nsem no ne kwasen ka me kan sa otumfo kanse ya yen kan si say dintia because there is Kumasi Traditional Council and we have also Asanteman Traditional Council, the ATC. So these councils was a representative from there, it being the Kumasi or the ATC and the Becca. And even Mahama Wakasa or say his Royal Majesty Utumfo Tien Komono meaning is yai. Maybe a drinking Kumasi. Oh, maybe a common code. Why? Because the Constitution gives him the power as the first gentleman of the state. Apart from that, Asanteman being part of Ghana, I was respected the leader of Ghana. And no pokrano, one time takes a president to be cast to for say because of respect. A year tradition. Danso Abeam is not just anybody. He is somebody who was born into tradition. You know what I'm talking about. He's supposed to know much better because this can destroy the relationship between him and Otumfuo and what's any Yankan. Because what Jimmy? Penokore. At the end I'm going to mass still. They are still fighting. And the reason why they are fighting is what I'm talking to you about. They are tossed bio. I was at Danso Abeam. Who say Ghana no ahemfo miensa no a obo mu din se eye Dormaahene Techimanhene and Asante no. Baako a whole region. Ah wonim wa wo hwe mi wodi tum se e kasa Asante fo hena Asante region hena e otumfo. Techiman is not a region. Doma is not a region. These two are towns and they are within a region. The person who rules over the town, Techiman, you can't compare it to Nyansan Wejimi. You can't call now both. How can you compare a town to a whole region? Abroad that region is just the capital, Kumasia. At the set Techiman yet we see Yankasu Munina pet. Because penokore. Sometimes you address someone for the kind of crowd to Mutimua. Yeah, they bring us so much Bodamo said you, King Yabuti. Yeah, yasso kind of creature be a windy. Hey, me, I say, because this cow all of a sudden, I am for Cassiam and Sano. Penokore. Yeah, they bring more. Me who de how mo. Dear, they are they won't team. Missy, if you ask a penny, be one the crowning ye. Tina Crobie, ye penny down. And tis a say, Obacatcha me make say, Mintina and I'm in country, send another organ in a penny, and why the yomuti. Send another mini trade, yeah. Then we have a problem. Because Bibi Biara will be a lead any mobile and see Tiana and Momi aimless, or many future, if so many penny do money. And Nunti, and I'll call the National House of Chiefs. Omo dwene hu si hia panyin nyese ye aimless poaba in at the National House of Chiefs obi but I make some show. Do not forget, say before responsibilities were able to be issued, say when you go to the National House of Chiefs yetimi to aba obi no na entesa that time no anka ne no na otumfo nko an did the National House of Chiefs ni nyina, so you can google this. See, they make a tune pa. Nana no been submitted to the then time government. Say, almost person mudi kakra. So the then time government went to Otumfuo and told Otumfuo, it's part of our history. Do history. The historians, they know what I'm talking about. Otumfuo nana no be say, what ya kunyano so almost person gaja responsibility ni be a sanigu almost kakra. What do you say? How the news went to Otumfuo? Otumfuo was like, no, me don't man that. And many problem about that. So almost one person will try one more leadership skills with the National House of Chiefs. I permit it. If Otumfuo is somebody who really want to rule Ghana, company that make a obi o wa Jimmy was a king as my okay ubu. Oh, yes. Let me akwa make it. He permitted. As I'm talking to you right now, Otumfuo, whoever becomes the next Asante or Asante being who was all part of the National House of Chiefs because they created, they gave it to Nana Market and I said, Mupese Mudi out the affidavit, one want to Tom Wabadamundi. Penny or my anymore. What's the other man kind of crunch now? To go see Ghana CC, especially in your new Sibu Krumi. One neck or can. What's the young cassette? No one in I pay the Amongo for before from an cocaine. Penocret, without a leadership, a leader. Ghana and omi aimless. Danso Abeam, you know this. You cannot go there and tell me, say you want to put all of them on the same scale. Abra kura ufri muno. Kransan obeswaye echre. Santene. I am for Kasimi no kakraka wo mo toso miensa. Kasapano no. There should be a difference. Penocret to the sense. So person catch me say, what Danso Abeam did? Say or a town, 2 towns, and a region. A pen. Now, who go school now? I 10 regions in Ghana. No? Any 16 regions in Ghana. My region was written, or Techiman region was written. The other talk away in there cost the basics. Nene say, T. Nippon person be kind of crash and the young say. Open you know anymore when it comes to your traditional. Nippon person be kind of crow. Be president or mobile in Jitum. The last thing that I want to talk about, the year 1970. Can go this fact. Bisime baba be chichi mwa. Jari be tisi Ghana so. Now, pa. Yareɛ ni leadi ya ma yareɛ na ama Ghana ntimi anya enough farmers tea. So during 1983, ɛkɔm si Ghana. Have you ever said the reason why ɛkɔm si Ghana? Many would think of pa a normal bebree and a lady to a kwafo a won't ntimi nya adwuma. Yareɛ no di Ghana nya saa to aswa ekosi the year 2002, 2004, 2005. Any no Muslim and some part of a year Accra. Coastal part no. Now we most of us are still. Do you know the person who solved this? It was a tomb for. Hey, the survey sike komu every part of Ghana. When you maybe on yes Ghana, World Bank once a year by yeah, was one tias say tomb for is going to have a grant from the World Bank. Tomb for had a grant from the World Bank some time ago. They can't crash a missing my trying my teaching with him. You bet kind details. The idea is see a lady to come. Guess here, now go to form Asanteman Wura. Every part of Ghana, Jenny dear. Make sure say idea me no. It will be two. If you Asante name, we ain't no Muslim and a guy, the coastal party, I see be two. And Bravo Bay a survey can say, I didn't dear Druno. I know a dean, I will mind him. Into a mining he has a big survey. And yes, I'm what for solve this problem. After he was issued a grant. On one a quarter a grant to send called the Bear Santa Manye. Tiangomono. When the grant was about to be issued, and on the Kofo Tenase, can't your person or Yema Ghana with a grant. Kofo was shocked. And Quaquajo grant I didn't have episodes, and when the mass and phony be fool, and you tomb for say, oh, Mina Sante, who de Biano, no, my man for Baby did the Asante for Temuko, this Ghana, now the Ababe Ghana, you know, oh, Mina Sante. And then I'll find show the This is the reason why they were saying that during the time of Kofo against Otumfo, he was thinking so much about Ghana. Ukromohenene pa. Kwaji BA. Okay, so be to me kwaji grant from the World Bank. How much can you take from the World Bank? What asset here, dear? Reputation will be as in the same. It's here na no. And so did them and Danso Abeam was supposed to know this. What's the young commander? He is supposed to know this. Say, respect is given to whom is due. Say what to me the 2 towns at the 2 region I would Danso Abeam ko school no. Eja, oheneba Jimmy no. Also was Kentiani and Kano crunch the woo. Oheneba media. Omo Jimmy no. Henny and Kano crunch. Almost soon as you saw to go so. 2 towns. Uko school no na enya regions. After now it's still not region. Yen can't tell say for to the scale of a region so. Yeah, disrespect. That meeting is supposed to be recorded. Most of my videos are not about Dormaahene. Same way by how many days in Yafin American wasem. I want you to know the problem, the causal problem. See you yam fast normal way serious. The peace cannot come. That boy Prince, any Techimanhene for to Wobo 2 for Basim. Apology was not issued in a meeting. What can we say? And only quiet today. What do you mean? Almost more con internet and so. And no person who apology. No, there can never be a peace without justification. People were supposed to apologize to each other and the representatives. When the free men share not to her. And for Techiman, Prince no can say free Techiman or he never media on free men share. Was this on the camera? Now go on the whole channel me free men share. Only anyhow related to men share or kind of. So who was representing the people of Asante? And who was representing the people of Dormaahene? If you truly needed peace. Dear, ono ni Dormaahene Techimanhene. Debiano. Asante fo mpanimfo bebre ne na kasa se ade na wo ye no enya Asante amamre ne amane. Mutimi frɛ no ka che ni se onyai de wo ye no. Nick Danso Abeam. I'm correct because I have the proof. And akwanwa be confirm me say we say ni audio. Okache ni se onyai. But the onu so didi otumfo atem no. Ghana from penekure. The onu so didi otumfo atem no. Ohine Mike ase ohine David ase ohine Ebenezer no. Sa akwa no. Ono de emu antimi amfre no. So, in general sense calculation ni say, tienya nsam me no kan wa ha. Ne onu ni di otumfo atem ni yenya ne mani ni. Na emom de odi Dormaahene atem ni de enka na no ntum. I don't support the insult. I don't support it from this side and the other side. Though kesiye wom. Otum foso. Titum. Abodam umpe no kre. Otimi frɛ wo no. De odidi Dormaahene atam no. Se onu ni nyai. Na emom de odidi otum fo atam no kra de nenum nsɛm no. Emu odu kra sen de odidi Dormaahene. Wonu de odidi otum fo asɛm sa kwa bodamfo no efe no Ohene de. Nenum nsɛm ni mu odu to the extent say mo betimi aka no. Ono de ma amfrɛ no. So calculation no umpe nyansa sɛm. Kenyan Saturday. Ono de mu antumi anka nkyere no. Nick, Mr. Danso Abeam, we sikani nti enka wasɛm. One I was any audio no. Are you trying to shut the Asantes to keep quiet? But the stupid boy, David why no? Should insult me, yeah, because see a percent problem is with or no. Would dimma tintin my way did ya papa. Me say Chima Tobe will meet him. I was here addressing. The Americano. Say who is the errors what the American man say wabodam on penocre. Tienyan Sanwa make a channel. Sanko fo emi enu abako to fa no yakata ba akwa no be ba ko de eja se woni otum fo atam and you think it's fair. Mr. Danso Abeam, there are a lot of things that are wrong with the meeting. Ma mi bia onu ni mama mra o ta church na mamra e friend comfy love e be chire mu se Mr. Danso Abeam mmu ade yante te oji not just because of say we are crabby or one Danso Abeam age ye pet they are almost age mate. Got born a brat 24 with UK. Obeka say, King, the woman is just related to your family and her family related to you. And until I will be a man no. Or you related to me, family wise, minimum same. When you hear me, I born a bra wa butchery. When you want my bar butchery, be your man and I'm wom ye cleaning near Jadino. Or your nurse, professional nurse. And young nurse be a keke. At that time, I now butcher in shed and Jadino. You know your nurse. When two be fee, or 20 fee, comfy love. If you don't cry top and down. Or no, Nini Kunu, Ananema, Bako Faso, no Bakwafa from, and Crown Cry say no medem. Mammy so funny than be my hand. Yes, it's Timodio. Or person may have a good life for butcher wo. Oheneba, Okosma was Yanis obedient in a term, no Brabe, and our bo. Catching is my many rent, small boy, the money dinner. What's the one, so man, and so many Okasa, you know, Okasa when you say you were aware to say, Beba. My many bonny in an so be kind of cratch Danso Abeam said, Danso Abeam way. We know me and meeting ya yere. Adia ye when you were mwadie. Yes, were mwadie because of say, would diatemu. My many Casano Okana mamrem. Say a mamreni a maniemuna walkasa. A bar mamreni a maniemua. In some making in answer say, Danso Abeam and mwadie wa mamrem with her. Bijimi was so sick and eating can ask and ken. Oh, my brother at it all. Sick and eat pedocre. So what me can of correction one. Found me agro. What in your son in common am with the bar? How many cousin us? What you fear? I am past fear 1 hour in our cousin answer me. Men shower, Nakam in Cassa, what not in a coy meeting. Won't want ye. Yanti 2 year, no, I walk on to say, Mr. Nicholas Danso Abeam, and you'll be on Nama Wodi Atamu and I said, what she we and I say, Bibis how the woman is referring to the aspect of tradition and culture because this woman, who is she? She is somebody that traditionally or can't tradition home come over internet. So what the answer basically is supposed to draw your mind and your point. Say the woman is speaking about tradition. Danso Abeam, tradition yanti 2 year woman and ya crowd will be on the Danso Abeam age boss now or catching in ya. Se minyan wadi awye ti enka no krenche Danso Abeam wa mu ade wa mu mechi ana se wotumfo no kra no se Danso Abeam oni mamamre ne amane ade supeti ni sei tie yanka akwa ba ko no a wono ni didi Dormaahene atam no anuntum ne emom yenja Ohene David e mane di otumfo atam ntwaye confilave ya bone so address wa bufuo mu ana. This is a big disrespect. No justification bi bia nya pepeye e wo meeting na the council no asema wa mo have ye bia nya pepeye wo mu onse wajimi me say Ohene David wo di video bia ba se Danso Abeam e bia me no ka se na secret ma be meeting na e firi chine ko beti se Ohene David so be ka se Danso Abeam friend me ne wo ka se what is Ohene David abeka bibia never. So the secret nene say, Yanka kwano didi Dormaahene atem no anu ntumu. Me I don't have any problem. So mu kana no to mama tiase. Besa assembly be ya sundua mu pepi sampa. The same way na wasa mu kan Ohene akwani am do finidi. Ohene ho ahwa dividɛs Ohene Mike no. Ono so mu kana no tumi ehu se afan ni afan we. Wo mu na edi atem a wo mu ho no. Etu atwa. Obese ke na ada na o ma odi meti hai. Mechia Dormaahene ana metwa abo ne sɛ de ame nko yisu kwase agimi abo ama Dormaahene de biada da enti si epe wo mu a wo mu de adidi atam so jagu ma ye bom di wo ho enye ye. I respect myself very well. Asante wo kasa bebre ye wo kasa koa ye wo be ti me de kasa koa beka e bia betwe nsɛm yi di Dormaahene atam na tumi nkɔse ne kwase ane abo a ya de teme sa enti ye bom di wo ho a mo pe ansa no nye yi nka we ya no ntum ye nya we mani ndi otumfo atam. Okay, see, no, dear, you need your head town, so no, dear, young one is Cebu. That's what that was an error. So there is nowhere in Confid's loud video because that woman is so intellectual. Mamma, not you more do. There may be a social no one if what video no, not getting calculating fast. Plan do a Danso Abeam fire. Not just anybody will be on also about Bratis and Danso Abeam. Then so Asante who don't tea. What quite Juma wa breno. No, Sabe so camera seen any more church na bakwasem. You'll be uncle wada. Me kura me se me ya brante no adwuma kakra me ye me bra how many times na me di video bra wo ono abrewa no we see TikTok live the be a church history of Ghana not just Asante man ko and we hunu sa achi mato yi na so Abeam de di kan ye mo otumfo di wakobo na de wo mu ade na che because Danso Abeam na kura nyesa nti yen kasa ne be kasa wo mu ade wani nsu ade waka to feel ho na wo yesa na kire wo sa na ye nananom ne ye maamenom ye chie ni mo nye obi a oni ni wo age mate right now come and here Ohene eti akonya so a se Danso Abeam chen wo tumfo anase se fa se Danso Abeam wo 80 years wo tumfo wo 25 years kwa no ke bi chi na ni wo menhia papa semintia confil have castle kan wan ka body bia wo chi Danso Abeam wo mpe no korenti na woto sa na me se Ghana no ye mpe no kore me ekotie confil have nsem a wo de betu da sa akwakwase wei sa akwakwase yi a wo no ye kase ye kan history enye ne osi mu wonya me se wo ye sofo onye ne we onuni sa akwo ma me fa we ntua na me fa we ntua sa akwo o da hai a wo no di confil have atem a wo fre confil have wo no ti abocha bobrato fie no wo fre ne se wo no confil have no ene ne ma eye nkokɔ be ka se bebi wo no be a wo ubu be ka be ti ba sese me obi kasa ye wo bi wo ho a wo twampoa enye didi atem be akwa we se di osika no na wo di confil have atam friend aboa nkasa just because of say wajimi ohun sikani ontimi kan kranche no Danso Abeam aye error kese ma checho mu eno tie ya ade ti ne yenka we anu ntu ne nya we so nkodi atem ye di kan ade ne obu amamre kese so e bia wonim mo san kwasiafo oheneba media mu ntimi ankorrect Danso Abeam somebody how who ne say we tete no kran kan lead to e bia tiretwa e twi nanim a mo say mo de na bakwasem e ba betudwa ana oti internet no so ana oyese mo oheneba nso ana mo gu Asante anim ase ade bia mo kofa video no sa akwe wonu ne ho enche akra we about just since I think 2018 2019 and there was in the ho apo wanya che papa hye agwai wanya camera nya kawa bi esi ne nsa atare tuntum ya customize nti yenya no mani ni obi a wabɔ ne bra wa abochi atem just because nipa na be defend the culture not just otumfo nipa na be defend the culture nipa na be defend ade e betinya say generation culture is very important tradition akwesi enya no mani ni conflict about adaya Abeam yesikani yen kana asem ndi za akwo ya osore a wosi oheneba TV so afirst woni na oso sofo die ne mu odin ma no to the sense hwe ne che hwe ha wotimi se nyame aye bi ene wo si yenyawo ne di obi atem because of takra bi a ya wai ahye obotom wagime umpe no kore me enko tie ye confilave nsem no a wodi to dwane entie kwase yi nsem a obeka ye eche ye confilave just because of no kofio kitwa bi a ya wai ma no abrabo ne mu odin ma no tikitwa bi enso a nti obedi atem me entie confilave
na wo tsena wo fie na wasini ase wo ne His Supreme Imperial Royal Majesty
Wo de tie o se de maame ne kura si kanfo otumfo. Na nka ya Asante ni pa okura no. Betu su Danso Abeam over otumfo ana. Yedi.
Otumfo wo se tutu nyame kase abebi opem so kotoko hene akasa. Umu ade. Danso Abeam.
What did your American? Or say, na nka o se no so kotra se me no otumfo akasa. Means what kotu otumfo and otumfo de aseme jaw. Kumasi traditional council is there. Otie, and Asanteman traditional council is there. It's their responsibility. Did you see any representative from Mensia there at the meeting? So you cannot directly go and say so otumfo a minute kasa was say. Mamene chill. Aba mamene mu ache de wan mu ade. Danso Abeam, wo se no asa okokasa asebi. Mo du, yen kasa. Bindi.
Danso yan kira won teteye.
Sase, wan kasa. Woni teteye o se yan kira won teteye means traditionally. Ye wa ye che se yan kira wa himfie. Ye kira wan ka be ye. Danso Abeam. Obi se, e wo ye sika ni ntie nka na asem. Me se oheneba, o mo jimi sem wa no detie.
Ya Dr. Nick de tu dwa no enipa be munu ya
Wuti asema maame ne kan no her response akwa we e de ba wuti
ana mpanyimfo so se opatafo gi aba na kante saa anka obi nim onyamfo ya wabɔ braduru akiri sei na won hia me ne wo mienu no wadidi won hia me ne
se wo ka aduane ho asem won hia me ne wo mienu no wadidi na wo hia obi ansa no wadidi on se waka wo hia obi ansa no wadidi enti se nipa ka no kra chewa o in the name se we wo sika nti yen ka na asem wo hu jimi asem maame kan ye because this was your highlight. And so we can't say now blog ya. Diemu oju no na dey highlight to pull viewers. So it means the American ni na diemu odu pa na mo dey highlight no. Mo be before for ka ho po a. Will you choose because the man was just defending Otumfo. And this analysis, Danso Abeam whatever he did was not according to tradition. Ye tradition if mo. O pasundua ampa. Peace cannot prevail without justification. Boy ba ku no odidi Dormaahene tem no ma frɛ no. Onka na no ntom. Nemum de odidi otumfo atem ne de ma amfre ni bi. Yanyi na ntwaye. Ade na mo ye ni ntwaye, yen kwasi asem. Enu nti akwesi enya no nonu oba atem. Wo de tie.
mienu no warrant dan se ni pasa tu sa na mo we a wo se didi a
Pati ohia me no mienu no warrant dan. Am no aka to so already obi dan. Obi ti wodo ani fie mu wo UK. Ai King Charles Queen Elizabeth Krom no wasi wato fie ya abronsan o dwene dan han ho bedi na tem because so wo ka no krata so wo hene mo so ye dankyerani mo so maame ne ye dankyerani kira wo abakwasem wo buafu o kanfo wo hene wo buafu o ka bia ma wo enye kakra wagimi wanyanti a adan na buafu confi laugh sam paso do tumfu ati
tam ya wo man yi ya wo so wo ye batan ti abrochire de ne matwa ne ho ahia sa akokɔ ne ne ma esesa
wati abochie de ne matwa ne ho ahia sa akokɔ batan ne ne ma wenye kasako a how this guy was raising the speech it was direct insult calling the woman aboa ne ma obi se kin we domestic war we nkabi me kire o ma de me no obi ankon o ma jimi ate too much o ma da so ntokwa we so ma ne be esi omo na so they are thumbnail scratch akoma. Their caption e koso tokwa bebre. You don't want to be criticized. We jina ho di atem.
Reply we free ni ho. Maami we no evangelist. Ya wo preachie. Make the video be the actual sisi a. We evangelist a wo preachie. Ne 9 years video a wo ye fa preaching ho. Afa na nipa 121 ahwe. Na no kura
tie afa die wa to the sense wo yi maami ni history o. 9 years ago no ye video bi no evangelist na no obi ahwe no na. Na wo ye ka wa asem a wo kura de nya 9 years ye wo. Why say both fruit wa ye tia so ya tia wie ni asa tia so atofom ni tia so ya wo che. Obi abeka no kura kire wo. Enti no wo de ne mma nyina e di natem. Obi beka se kin ya wotre. Wabada mo pe no kura. Wo maame a. And this woman we are talking about no yo. Obi a watena bo kira che. Wonyini ni fie kwa animu pa. Enso hwe ne ho fe. Wa hwe a wo sia no a wo be ma ne 30 and 40. This is comfy love. And this boy, just about 3 years, 4 years ago, they walk as a yo and one ye. Why are they nye? What's the wedding tea? Ye need to tune for them. Oh, dear weddy, a wodumunti. Ye need to tune for them. I'm at the orbit show Yansano. Oh, dinatem. Bientie kwasi ane kakranka.
No, and now we are Kasa Mas and Techimanhene man for Korea. And to Warbano, and Asante to the Warbow, so Wakasa, million Masante for, Munya careful, and Asante to the Warba. And watch the National, was way danger, no cut the walk one. Was
Onse wa say Jimmy, nipan wo ye denkyereni no. Wo frɛ wo hene sɛ his imperial majesty. Wo bo wo hene abodin a wo no ani kuro mu denkyera kora bia wo mo no sa. Of which there are videos of Otum for several videos. I will tune for air baby at denkyera for wo mu free ase. Ye be pemre. Near that video no enso abro. Denkyera for enya ahoho. Ye ka denkyera kora wo te denkyera sesen. Ye wo denkyera hodo bebre a ye wo okopiem wo denkyera kora no a. Per the map. Ye we nuanom asantefo bebre a omutu kwatena denkyera. And ye we nuanom denkyerafo bebre a omutu tu ebetena Asanteman mu about 300 years ago. And they are in Asante. And so basically, abetena Asanteman mu 300 years ago, ya ba akonwa ma no, omo so menhia o ye dini. Won se wagimi. Mi enti akwa ya kyese. Kitwa bi apone amani nti wose ye mani ndi wo ba atem. I mean enti.
Denkyerani wonya Asanteni, ti asem ne ye. Enti ye di otumfo atem a eye ne de. Ye di ye otumfo atem a eye ne de because wonya Asanteni, because wonya Asanteni, and waka to hono.
Ne no kreko obeka ye di wonya Asanteni. Oba ye so ani otumfo atem. O kyese mo de mo makoye no makodi otumfo atem. Nti munyai. Munye ne foforo. Mama mene no nkyere saa. Eye saa wobu otumfo anum tia. Danso Abeam. I'm repeating myself, my viewers. Or you're whining in front of a tomb frontier, you ain't mean criticizing. The man was wrong. Somebody got to criticize it because the president of Ghana put somebody catch that woman. And share one more there. And Kamahama Bayi, Uncle Toko to him for a chair more quiet criticism. One of the ways we need to me a channel where she experience is the best teacher. Criticism is the best teacher. Wu ye ni ba when ya konso bi eni musie tabrabone boa wan kan hu no kure so mfaso up to now you be din tuntimi nka no kure tu sie nya o na de wo ka no kure se ukuro mu hini na wo mu no obi aka setia no ye ne sa ye nya o de di nipa no ne ne matam oheneba media. I'm very ashamed of you. Muna mo so ntokwa so stop using stupid thumbnails to disrespect mention. Stop using content. I better disrespect it. A certain group of people. Obian Chel say, and Obian can't say, don't defend culture. Right? Obet me defended Dormaahene can't say, Bia. Name me and confirm man for Umba better platform this way did Dormaahene tem. And Umba could do tune for tem. Now I call viral to the extent that some of your videos they are so heartbreaking. A cassette Asante Bibre. Some of your videos here tax. Ebi no from say bia kromfo ana tutubotomfo a omo kyese omo ne otumfo na nam na omo de otumfo so mo ba bia omo kwate say de otumfo so omo so nkodi bone. Some of your videos it disrespect me so high. So if you want somebody to disrespect gentlemen say them catch you no. If you want somebody to disrespect your own platform. Stop doing that stupid videos because no match will be mad. I'm telling you, obesi a corner part 1, part 2, part 3. Because I can't wear Asante. Ye nya wo mo Asante ni mu asio. Minua. Oheneba media go Asante ni mu asiache. In fact, when it comes to say wo mo mfa videos in free mention ba wo mo bo mo de yetitum. Na so ade na wo ya ye hu dua bo de je. Adai. Asa wo bo Asante wo se kum Asante. Wo twa videos amamre no ye efe. Na so wo se soja gu ma amamfo de otum fatem. You are the problem. Solve yourself first before you solve somebody. You know, bedding cry. Let's see you on our next video. Crowd.
K1 boy Juma, we did Jacob. So now see commentary or social media. No style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home. So good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also the Ebema other tribe a flow. Uni sorted. India temni. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say Uncle commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we maybe a Uncle strength free but it's all good. Oh yeah, dear. K1 modern. K1 will try pa.